Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. Today we got another package in for the Jeep. It is super windy out again. It is really cold, really sunny as usual here. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump into the car and unbox it for you guys. This is gonna be another one of those illegal cheap mods for the channel. This is a cheap Amazon mod that you guys can do for the for a decent budget. I mean, it's gonna be like 10 to 20 bucks. Another one that you guys could do because we love cheap mods here on the channel. So before this video starts, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. I don't know when this will be up. Hopefully we'll be at 1,000 subscribers by the time it's up. I think we're 25 away right now when I'm recording this, but we should hopefully hit that today or tomorrow. So you guys can stop having me say that we're gonna hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. But new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. Don't miss an upload, so let's jump right into it. All right guys, so here's the package. I'm gonna try and just do this with one hand so I can. We got some packing material, and then here it is. This is what we're gonna be doing. So this is, get out of here. So this is a Zone Tech brand license plate cover. Link will be down in the description for you guys to check it out if you want to get this or a different one. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Let me see if I can do this one-handed and open it. I bet you I can. I'm kind of a professional at this now. Ever since I've been making these videos for a while now, I'm a professional. So they come in this like bubble wrap kind of stuff going on here with packing material. And then what do we got in here? Let's see. Look at this. This is expert level filming here. So here's what they look like. They're just tinted plate frames or covers. So hopefully they're gonna work with my back license plate cover. I'll jump out and show you what they're gonna look like. So now this guy is gonna go over here and just stick right on there. Obviously it's not gonna be that dark because that's two of them, but my problem is I have silver bolts here on the top, and you can see both of them are silver, as well as if we swing around to the back, they're also silver. So what we're gonna wanna do is go ahead and get some new license plate bolts for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and run to AutoZone now, and let's see if we can find a black bolt kit. Alright, so we just got back from AutoZone here, and this is what we ended up getting. So I kind of hopefully showed it, but these are just a set of 4 little black license plate bolts. So these ones actually have a Phillips head screw, so of course we need a Phillips head screwdriver. And then to get them off, I have it set up right now with a 10 mil, so I just got a little 10 mil socket. It was hard to find because, as you know, you lose them every time, but we got the 10 mil socket here, so we're gonna go ahead and take the plates off and then hopefully get these ones put on pretty quick and see if I can fit them on with the license plate cover. Alright, so now I got them off. I think the issue is going to be with both this license plate frame kind of thing that I have going on with this Right Car Solutions or whatever it is. I have a video up here if you haven't seen that, showing what this is, this little cover. It's like a rubber kind of cover, and then the front piece. So I'm going to go ahead and try and see if we can get it on this one, and then see if we can get it on the front. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get one of these out here, and it's so windy out. It's so cold. There was ice on my car this morning, so that's kind of the kind of day we're working with here. So I also have an appointment, so I gotta get going here. We're gonna peel off this plastic. Looks like they're not damaged as of yet. So all right, so let's grab one of these. This is kind of what it's gonna look like with it on, as you can see, hopefully. It's gonna just tint it down a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna work with this rubber case or frame, so I'm gonna have to see how that's gonna work. I think I have to take it out first anyway, so let's do that. Alright, so it looks like it's gonna kind of go like this, I guess. I don't know, it kind of looks a little warped. But let me get it out. Let's see. Alright, so there it is. That's what it's kind of looking like. It doesn't really sit perfectly flush in there, and I don't think that this cover is going to go back on around the edge as a frame. So that's one thing to note if you are installing one of these, that you're probably not going to be able to get your license plate frame cover thing back on. So that's going to go in the trunk for now probably, and then let's get the other one and see if we can fit that one on. So now the problem with this one is that there's like front like fascia kind of stuff going on where it holds it on. So you got this one kind of clicked in as well. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the screws and see if I can get this one to fit in. All right, we got our screws. This is gonna have to go over the front little clips. I'll show you guys here. So hopefully you can see these two little clip pieces where it normally clips behind. It's not gonna be able to go there. If I hold it up, you can kind of see that it's just gonna have to go over the top. So I'm just gonna screw it in and see how it looks, and if it rattles and stuff, then I'll have to keep you guys updated and let you know, but let me go ahead and do this. Alright, so in the front what I ended up doing is just screwing in the top two obviously, but I put the plate behind the little clips here and then just screwed this on top of it. As you can see, it like moves a little bit, but it's not enough to like make noise, I don't think, so hopefully it doesn't rattle. It might. It actually chipped here, which is kind of crazy just from that little drop that you guys saw, but it should be fine hopefully on there. Let's go ahead and slap it back on because it's absolutely cold out. Alright, so this is what it's looking like here. I'll do a full video after, or like kind of talk about it. I gotta run to this appointment, but hopefully it doesn't do any of this kind of stuff while I'm driving. If it doesn't, I'll have to solve that, but for now it's on, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so this is what we're working with here after having them on. So the back one is gonna have, I don't know if you can hear it, it does kind of rattle a little bit against it. I didn't hear it while driving, so I have plenty of rattles as it is. So I might do something about that and see if I can put something along the back or something to keep it from banging against there. But overall, it should be fine. I think it looks a lot better with it than without it and just having the trim. I might try and find some other sort of frame, but I think for right now it looks fine. Overall, I am going to be doing these in, these are going to be super dark tinted, just like the look at this right here in the middle. It's going to be just like that, as well as up here. So that's coming soon, which is going to kind of tie in all the black in the back to make it look a little bit better than it does now. And on the front here, I can go ahead and swing around and show you that it's on there pretty good. When I dropped it, it did crack a little bit here. When I dropped it on the floor, I don't know if you can even see, but down at the bottom it's kind of cracked. But this one doesn't really rattle at all or anything. It's pretty solid on there because it has something to kind of stick to and something to block it. So that's what the front's looking like. Overall, I think it looks really good. I like it so far. We'll see if it ends up being one of those things that I return. I got some erratic hand movements going for you guys, but we'll see if that ends up getting returned. But for now, I think it's gonna be just perfect how it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep it for now. I do have a bunch of mods coming, a bunch of stuff in the mail that'll be on its way soon. So if you guys have anything that you guys think I should do to kind of tie this in anymore, I always tell you guys, make sure you let me know down below. But as of right now, that's pretty much where we're at with it. This is just a quick, simple, cheap mod I think I'm gonna keep it. I really like the look of it for now, and like I said, once these are tinted out, it's gonna look a lot better. But for now, it kind of looks how it does, and it is what it is, but I'm happy with it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you click that like button down below. Just smash the hell out of it. And of course, comment, like I said, any mods that you guys want to see or what you think about these mods. If you guys have any of these, if you guys have had these in the past or if you like them or anything like that, it is technically illegal, but it is what it is. And of course, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with future contents. We're about to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you guys could smash that button now, just go ahead right down there. It's free. Click it. It would really help me out and it would help the channel grow. But that's going to be about it for this video, guys. Peace.